In this lesson, we're going to focus on a few bee products from now, or I guess I should say from honeybees. But before we get into the products, let's talk about honeybees. Remember, the more knowledge you have, the more you will be an expert in the aisle. Everyone knows that bees make honey, but did you also know that they produce some of nature's most nutrient-dense foods? Royal jelly, bee pollen, and bee propolis are produced by honeybees for a variety of purposes, including structural support for the hive and a nutritious superfood for the queen. But they're also teeming with beneficial nutrients that can also benefit your health and well-being. Bees are some of nature's best pollinators, gathering pollen and nectar from various plants and botanicals and carrying them to others. And as you probably know, bees play an extremely important role in the health of ecosystems worldwide. In addition to being used for pollination, the pollen and the nectar that the bees collect is brought back to the hive and used for a variety of purposes, including food for the main bee population and a specialized food just for the queen and the larvae. Pollen, nectar, and other substances are also combined to form structural materials for the hive itself, such as beeswax and propolis. The nectar and pollen that the bees use for food and these other purposes that we talked about are also good sources of naturally occurring nutrients and phytochemicals that can be beneficial for humans. Bee pollen, propolis, and royal jelly are healthy bee products that have been used for centuries to promote health and wellness. Bee pollen is a fine powder that carries the male reproductive cells of the flower. Honeybees instinctively gather only that pollen which is pure and healthy and then mix it with flower nectar and bee saliva to form a natural and highly nutritious food that has all 22 of the elements composing the human body. It has vitamins, amino acids, trace minerals, and enzymes in a balance that ensures optimum bioavailability. Royal jelly is a super specialized food created specifically to feed the queen, and to a lesser extent, the larvae of the hive. It is a true superfood with a wide array of beneficial nutrients, including vitamins, minerals, protein, amino acids, essential fatty acids, and more. The latest addition to the Now family is Bee Propolis 2000 5:1 extract. It's a mixture of resins collected by honeybees from tree buds, sap, and other plant sources, and is used to seal small gaps in the beehive. The function of propolis is to reinforce the hive's integrity and stability, as well as to maintain its sanitary state. Now propolis is collected by beekeepers from active, healthy hives and possesses a variety of bioflavonoids. Each 400 mg soft gel of Now's new Propolis 2000 5:1 extract is equivalent to 2,000 mg of bee propolis. What this means is, extracts are more concentrated than the original material. This is a 5:1 extract, so 400 mg is equivalent to 2,000 mg of just taking propolis that has not been concentrated. You'll also see on the Now label a caution statement on this product above and beyond some of the standard cautions. It says, individuals who are allergic to bees, bee products, or bee pollen should not take this product. So be sure to read the Now labels and point these things out when you're in the aisle. So there you go, a few more products from the Bee family. The Now family.